Welcome to our Arduino introduction tutorial. In this session, we'll cover the fundamentals of Arduino programming and hardware. From understanding different elements on the Arduino board to creating and uploading code. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your knowledge, this tutorial will guide you through the basics and beyond. The Arduino is a versatile microcontroller platform that is equipped with a variety of input-output pins. It can be powered through a 7 to 12 volt power supply block or via its USB port, which simplifies connecting it to a computer or other USB power source. The board features have regulated power supply that provides stable outputs of 5 volt and 3.3 volt, which are crucial for powering sensors and other peripherals, as well as multiple ground GND pins to complete circuits. Digital pins on the Arduino can be used to read or write digital signals, while analog pins can read analog voltages. Additionally, PWM pins allow us to simulate analog output by varying the duty cycle of a digital signal. Also, the Arduino board is compatible with various communication protocols including serial, I2C, and SPI. I2C and SPI are used for communication between multiple devices over short distances. Now, let's delve into the software side. In the software realm, the Arduino IDE integrated development environment is where we write, compile, and upload code to Arduino board. Within the IDE, you will find several key components. The text editor, where you create and write your code files. The bar menu, which offers various options and tools for project management and settings. The console displaying important messages like compilation errors and warning. The verify button used to check code for errors without uploading it to the Arduino board. And the upload button transferring compiled code from the IDE to the Arduino board. These components work seamlessly, providing a user-friendly environment for developing and deploying code for Arduino project. Writing code for Arduino is relatively simple, especially with the vast array of resources available online. We'll cover the basics of creating a new code file, writing code, and uploading it to the Arduino board. Understanding the structure of an Arduino sketch is crucial. Each sketch consists of two main functions, void setup and void loop. The setup function is executed once when the program starts and is used for initializing variables, pin, modes, etc. The loop function runs continuously, allowing your program to perform repetitive tasks. And there you have it. Folks, that concludes our comprehensive journey into Arduino essentials, from understanding the hardware to mastering the software and exploring communication protocols. We've covered it all. Remember, Arduino isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to endless possibilities in the world of electronics and programming. Now, let's dive into communication protocols. Arduino supports several communication protocols such as serial, I2C, and SPI. Serial communication is used for serial data transmission between the Arduino board and other devices. And there you have it. Folks, that concludes our comprehensive journey into Arduino essentials, from understanding the hardware to mastering the software and exploring communication protocols. We've covered it all. Remember, Arduino isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to endless possibilities in the world of electronics and programming.